let you guys listen to one of my favorite songs. But before I bring up the song, I just gotta enter my password into my phone. So that way I can bring up the song so everybody can hear it. Let me just go ahead and put my password in now. There you go. Wrong. I must have entered a number wrong. Let me see here. Wrong again? That's unusual. I think I know my own password. Let's see what password is. That's it. That's not it. I know that's it. I know that's my password. Let's see here. That's the password. All right, let me try my password one more time. I know exactly what it is. I'll go real slow. That one, and then that one, and then sit. Good thing there. You know what? I'm not sure what's going on here. I think I'm just gonna enter in some random numbers and see what happens. Random, and that's it. What the? That'll work? Great. At least we're in, but I'll never remember what that password was.
Let me clear my throat. No, I'm not sick. I'm just clearing my throat so I can talk clearly to all you guys out there. Then I have to teach you some more stuff. I guess we have some time to fill, so they wanted me to talk to you guys about important stuff in history. And today I was going to talk to you about the time before YouTube. Yes. There was a time before YouTube, when YouTube was not even invented. In fact, they didn't have YouTube when I was a kid. Nope. We couldn't even play online games. Nope. We had to go outside and play. Yep. We always play the dirt clod fights. And, kind of like first-person shooter where you run around and you shoot people and then they're eliminated. Yeah. Well, that's kind of the same way, but with dirt clods. And the basic rule of dirt clods was no aiming for the face. But if you throw a dirt clod at someone and it hit them in the arm, they'd just say, no, I'm not out. I'm just wounded. I can still play. And they cheated. So, to fix that, we would always just aim for the face. Yeah, when you get hit in the face with a dirt clod, holy cow, you know you're out. Oh my gosh. Yeah. Boy, the days before YouTube and first-person shooter games, wow, entertainment was completely different. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh, now you know. All right, well, okay, on with the next bit, and, you're not next. Go back to your spot. I'll call you when I'm ready for you. Okay. All right, you ready? Yes, you. All right, come on in now, and let's go with the next bit, because he's ready. Oh, great, it's the mime. No, he wasn't next. Yes, we see you. Hello. I know, you snuck on there. All right, I'll give you a second. What you got there? There's nothing there. There's nothing there. Yeah, nothing. I don't see it. What is it? Oh, it's a phone. Of course, he's dialing something, and now he's talking, listening, and talking. He's not saying anything. What good's a phone if you're not talking and you can't hear anything? Okay, swipe to the right, swipe to... You know what? I've had enough of this. Just swipe on out of here yourself.
Hey everybody, it's me again, Magical Matty, host of the Magical Matty and Friends Show. And today we are going to perform Well, you know, like with most silk tricks, you start by running the silk through your hand, just like this. Once, twice, and then on the third time, the silk will magically change. Let's see, and three. Oh. What the? Purple and green? Oh, that's amazing! This is amazing! How did you do that? Wow! We got green and purple. Wow, let's see what else we got. Wait a second, I thought it was just green and purple. Now it's yellow and red again. What the heck? This is really weird, just without even What the? How does it do that? Wow! This is an amazing trick, right before your eyes. How is it doing that? Look at it. Wow! This is one of the very first magic tricks I ever got. They are really cheap, super easy to work. I mean, you run your hand down, it changes colors. How easy is that? How does it work? I'm not going to tell you. Get your own magic color-changing silks. This is an amazing, super fun trick anybody can do. And I'll tell you what, it will make your eyes pop out. Wow, that is amazing. That is amazing. Get your own color-changing silk. They come in different colors, and there's a link down below where you can get your own. But it's fun, and it never gets old. You can do this all day long. All day long. All right. Hey, I can't wait to show you guys another fantastic magic trick. So tune in next time, and I can't wait to see you. Magical Matty, signing out. It's me, First Mate Matty, and me favorite bird, Hoop Deck.
Holly.
Whatever. And today, we're going to teach you guys how to... Stop staring at me, Hoop Deck. You know, I don't like it when you stare at me all the time. It makes me uncomfortable, okay?
Oh, okay.
All right. Okay. So, as I was saying, my name is First Mate. Don't be staring at me. This here be my bird. Hoop Deck.
Holly.
No. No. Hoop Deck. And don't stare at me. Don't stare at me. This bird's always just staring at me. I don't know why he's always staring at me. No, don't be looking at me now. You pay attention to the audience out there, okay?
Okay.
As I was saying, I'll get back on top. Are you looking at me? All right. Don't be staring at me now, bird. I'll feed you to those sharks. Don't look at me. All right, First Mate Matty. Love being on the magical show. And you looking at me, bird? Oh, man. I tell you what, that's going to be all the time we've got. I can't believe I wasted it talking to this here dumb bird again. Stop staring at me. I'm going to look at you until you stop looking at me. All right, then. Okay, now you guys just fade to black and move on to another part, and I got to deal with this here parrot. All right, Mr. Poop Deck.
Holly.
No, Mr. Poop Deck, I'm going to get you. Don't you look at me. Don't stop looking at me. Thanks so much for tuning into the Magical Matty and Friends show. Hey, be the first one to see our next video when it comes out by hitting that subscribe button and ringing the little bell. And if there's anything you want to see at all from the clown, the mime, Magical Matty, that's me, or even Mr. Fizzy telling a joke or two, leave a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, I'll see you later.